Alright, pyros, here we go. We got Let's Get Lit by Torch Fireworks. It is a 10 shot, it is a 200 gram, and it is the first time we've ever fired it. So, let me check it out here quick. This is their Thunder series. He does offer, I think, 2 or 3 different series of fireworks. You can go online and check them out, though. Thunder series is a very, very hard-hitting flash broke cake. You should be very impressed with this cake. Here's your performance. Again, very hard-hitting, very big tubes on there. It's actually kind of tall. It is triangle shaped, so make sure you brace it up well. They do kind of want to tip a little easier than a square base. That's it. Torch Fireworks Thunder Series. Let's Get Lit. 200 gram, 10 shot. Let's get lit like a hybrid.
Torch is on fire with this cake. So let's get lit like a fire pit.
That's all you got?
You?
Okay. Fun shit with fireworks. Thanks for watching, guys. Here we go. We're going to throw it up.
Thanks for watching 309 Pyros. Have a good night.